This is an amazing story of turning plastic waste into lives. Every bit of this work is important for the future of this earth. This is their very life.
Namaste, brother. How's work? How long have you been working here?
Namaste, sir. Good. Busy as always. About 5 years, sir.
Don't you get tired doing such difficult work?
Can't say we don't get tired, sir, but we think this is important work.
You can see how this waste is transformed into something new. Not only is our environment protected by these people's hard
It's because of people like these that our world is still beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Athulaya YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. See you soon.